Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I know a lot of you guys have been getting into this XRP pump. A lot of people have been telling me in this to get on XRP pump, and I've been doing. I did some research yesterday. Thanks to I think one of the comments that commented on my video. So thanks to that guy for commenting. I forgot your name, bro, but thanks for commenting, dude. I did some research on this, and looks like XRP or Ripple will actually be liquidating their currency in XRP. I still don't 100% know what it is. I need to still go through the papers and stuff. You guys know how much I loved XRP a while back. As of right now, I don't currently hold any XRP because I transferred everything into Bitcoin. I transferred everything, I think, I don't remember, I think a while ago, like a month ago. As soon as the what is it called? The lawsuit from the SEC went against XRP, I transferred everything because I didn't want to be part of XRP while this thing was going on, right? And it's not really that I don't support XRP anymore, it's that it's not going to be on Coinbase anymore, right? There was a mass amounts of volume coming into XRP from Coinbase, which is obviously it's one of the biggest. It's Coinbase is the biggest, if not the second tier broker for crypto that you can use, right? But I mean, look at it. Obviously you cannot buy XRP on it. That for the strict reason that you can't buy XRP on Coinbase. That's the only reason I'm not going to get into it, right? This might actually go to like $1 or $2, whatever, but I think personally I'm going to stay away from XRP. If all of you guys want to join in on this XRP pump, that's fantastic, good for you. Mind you, this is not something that I recommend at all. I did believe in XRP in the past before the lawsuit, and I would only get back into XRP after the lawsuit gets settled and everything is kind of handled and stuff, right? But as of right now, my recommendation, as far as what I think, I'm not gonna get into XRP right now. I mean, I still need to go through the full paperwork of what's exactly is happening with the lawsuit. But as of right now, I wouldn't want to get into XRP because I mean, even right now, 74 all the way down to it's not even pumping that much, right? Like in the past, this pump has really been going on for like the last day or two. And it really hasn't been going on for that much. Like it went from 2 to 7, which is what, like a 2x, maybe 3x, which is fantastic for a lot of people, right? But I think there's too much risk in XRP. There's a reason why I like Dogecoin a little bit more, or not a little bit, a lot more. I think it's like my favorite cryptocurrency, right? But there's a reason why I like Dogecoin more. I mean, yes, it is like a meme coin or whatever, but it's American now. It's too hyped up. It's too mainstream now for it to actually go down. There's too many people involved, right? And XRP, there's too much bad press going on with XRP for me to fully get involved into this crypto again. So I wouldn't get into this crypto until after the actual lawsuit gets settled. And even then, I would have to do my research a little bit better. But as far as use case, XRP was one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. I think XRP actually had the best use case out of any other crypto to actually be a world, like a world currency, or at least be part of some sort of world, like a world trade, right? But those are my thoughts on XRP. I'm not going to be getting in on XRP anytime soon up until after the lawsuit gets settled. If you guys do get in on XRP, be careful. I wish you guys like a bunch of money coming your way if you do get on this. And I hope that it's not just, people don't get left with holding the bag up here, right? Which that's the part that kind of sucks. But, have a great day, guys. I just want to give you guys my opinion on XRP. And then later, if I find anything else out, I'll definitely update you. See you later.